Hello and welcome back to HTML5 training videos. Now let's go ahead and open up let's just open up that default. I'm going to open that with brackets. I'm using a Mac here, so it might be a little different if you're on a Windows. Holy moly. Okay, well let's just do it this way. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to code links, lists, and I'll show you how to add images. Now, let's just pull up, excuse me, the metadata, and let's do a save as from there. And we're just going to call this links, lists, images. Easy enough. And you can title this whatever you want. Links, images, lists. I know it's kind of different. Okay. So to code a list in HTML5, or I'm sorry, we're going to start with a link. For a link, it's just within A tags right there. And now this is usually considered an inline element, so we need to put it within another element, such as a paragraph. So this sentence has a link in it. Can you tell where the link is? Okay, obviously you're going to be able to tell. Let's just link this up. And you can obviously make whatever you want. Now, like I said, links have the A anchor with an href. This is what's linking to the file that you want. File or browser, anything like that. We could say, oh jeez. Sorry about that. Where's W3? So let's just link to this. What is it? That is not the right page. All right, you can learn a lot from this. So let's just link that. Sorry, I'm taking this way too long. Now let's give it a target. Now targets can be either blank, which it's going to open up a new page, self, which is going to open up in the same browser, and then really you don't really need target unless it's going to go away from the page. And if it's not a page that you've built on your website, you want to use the target blank because you don't want them to leave your website. You want them to leave your website opening up a new window. So that's easy enough. That is a link. For a list, there are, excuse me, there are two types of lists. You have an unordered list and an ordered list. So an unordered list, let's just say this is an unordered list. Wow, if I could spell right, jeez. So unordered lists are easy enough. Unordered list. UL. And within that UL, you're going to have your item. Now this goes for both unordered and ordered lists. So let's just say this is an item in the list. Let's just make a few of them. And we'll make one more. Oops. Disregard that. That is not in now. PHP training video. Yeah, just so you know, so I'm going to make some PHP videos. Will be my next one to tackle. Okay. So let's make an unordered list. I'm sorry, an ordered list. And can you guess what order this would be? Just OL. And let's just, for easy purposes, let's just copy this. Make it easier. Okay, and that is the two types of lists. And there's a lot of styles you can get with that and everything like that. So let's create an image. Now, creating an image or adding an image is pretty easy, and the source tags are easy as well. All it is just image, and now this is where the source of the image is going to come from. See how it's pulling right now? Those are just files that I have in the folder that is over here, but I'm not going to be pulling any of those because we don't pull files like that for images. For an image and SEO purposes, you always want to give it an alt tag. The alt tag is what, just kind of a describing what is the what the image is about, and then you're going to want to give it a height, sometimes a width, but height works just fine. So now I need to actually, I guess we can just, I can find an image like, which is HTML5. See, I can't even spell right. Let's just link to this. Open image in a new tab. No, this is not good practice either. Sounds like my computer's about to take off. Now, sometimes you want to link to images like this, but not really. But I just don't have any downloaded, so HTML5. Okay, let's go ahead and save this, and then let's see what it pulls up. Let's see if I did anything wrong. And you kind of hope sometimes you did something wrong, so then you can fix it from there. Okay, see, and I did not give it a height. So let's just go back and give it a height really quick of 250. Now that goes by pixels. Let's see how it automatically changes. Okay, so you see this is a sentence, it has a link in it. Can you guess where? Yes. By default, links are underlined with blue. And see how it pops up into a new window. And then we have our unordered list. Gives you the bullets. And you can change with CSS, you can actually take the bullets out. And then an ordered list gives you the numbers, as you can see. And then there's your image. And now if you do inspect element, we can actually see the alt tag, or if we even were to break it, we can see how the alt tag right there. Now that's good for SEO purposes. That's what the search engines pick up, because they can't read an image, so they read your alt tag. So you want to be pretty descriptive in your alt tag, because it's going to really help. that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.